Socialization is essential for helping your dog live happily and confidently in the world. Luckily, with the right approach, you can help them build confidence and enjoy positive interactions with people and other animals. Introducing your older dog to puppies can help them socialize better. Start with short, calm meetings and supervise their interactions. This will help your dog learn to interact gently, build confidence, and feel more comfortable. Using a leash allows your dog to explore new social situations safely, making interactions with people and other dogs more controlled and stress-free. High-Kiss Dog Obedience Long Nylon Training Leash helps teach recalls and obedience while allowing dogs to explore safely. Reinforced stitching and a swivel-style bolt snap prevent twisting for hassle-free training. Ideal for outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and swimming, promoting socialization and confidence. Take your older dog to a dog park at a slow, relaxed pace to help them adjust. Let them get comfortable with the environment before meeting other dogs. This will build their confidence and improve their social skills in a safe environment. Going on walks helps your dog get used to new sights, sounds, smells, and encounters with people and animals. This exposure makes them more comfortable, making social interactions easier and more relaxed. Reward your dog with their favorite treats, cheerful praise, or engaging toys when they react calmly to new situations. This helps them associate social interactions with positive experiences. Play fun and interactive games with your dog in open areas and parks to help them socialize and interact positively with other dogs. If your dog is reactive or nervous, a properly fitted muzzle can provide safety while they adjust to social settings. The Baskerville Ultra Muzzle is designed for comfort and safety, allowing dogs to pant and drink while wearing it. It can be heat-shaped for a custom fit, making it suitable for different dog breeds. Ideal for reactive dogs, it helps with training and safe socialization. Made from strong, durable material, it includes secure straps for a reliable fit. Take your dog on car rides to different places to help them get used to new surroundings and people. This makes socializing easier and builds their confidence. Bring home items with new scents, like another dog's blanket, to help your dog get familiar with different smells. This makes meeting other pets easier and helps with socialization. Socializing an older dog takes time and patience. Go slowly and never force them into situations where they feel scared. By following these steps, your dog can gain confidence and enjoy a happier, more social life.